getmybabymoney.com.
Get my baby money. Get your money, baby, get your money, money. Get my baby money.
Hi, and welcome back to Child Support Court, the Vodcast with Judge Harry Bowden. Ooh, it's a good one today. Today we're going to deal with the essential of parenting. Yeah, the essential of parenting, and that is planning. Ladies and gentlemen, remember this from long time ago. You don't fail by not planning. In other words, the saying goes, you don't plan to fail, you fail to plan. And when you do that, guess who's watching you? Your children. So when you're just off the cuff and say, let's go, Lego, that's what they end up doing. And as a result, they mimic that over and over again. So what I want to talk about is co-parenting. Co-parenting for people who have to work together but don't live together. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a business plan. That's exactly what it is. Now think about it. How much time do you waste? I gotta go outside and smoke a cigarette. Stop and see this commercial, but it turned into a whole episode. I'll wash the dishes tomorrow. Everybody does it, ladies and gentlemen. You plan and your plan fails because you did not plan not to fail. Co-parenting is a process where two people talk it out and they get down in the nitty-gritty of what they have to do for their children. And we're going to talk about that, dealing with how we put together a co-parenting plan that is fail-proof. Starts with a C, ends with an N, communication. And if y'all ain't talking about nothing but the money, then you ain't gonna never plan the right way. We get into it right when we come back from a word from our sponsor.
Revenue collections piling up? Lacking the experienced manpower needed to complete jobs safely? Tired of experiencing risks due to low quality and inexperienced applicants? We can help end this cycle. The Success Center Recruitment and Consulting will benefit your company. We build real and transparent relationships between recruiter and hiring manager. Book a call today and begin the process of finding the right person to join your team.
And we're back. Now, let's get into this. Making a parenting and visiting schedule. Come on, guys. You have 24 hours in a day, 168 hours in a week. That's a lot of time to get together and realize that you have time to do everything. Particularly when you are parenting 1, 2, 3, doesn't matter, when you work together. For example, let's look at visitation. You have different types of visitation schedule. You have a 50-50. You have a 60-40. You have a 20-80. You have a 70-30. It just depends on what you have available. Now, this is when you use the other person, and I don't mean use like use and you using me. No, you all are working together and working with each other, not just using. I need some time off. Oh, Lord have mercy. Guess what? 50-50 is great. You ever thought about it? Parenting time, there are 52 weeks in a year. If you split that up, 52 divided by, make it even, let's say 24 weeks per person. Dang, do you mean I have 24 weeks in which I'm able to do something differently? We're going to get into the nuts and the bolts on the next episode of Child Support Court, the Vodcast. Don't you go nowhere.